In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a JSON file in n8n. Whether you're importing a workflow from your computer or using a web link, these easy steps will help you integrate your data swiftly. To start, make sure you're logged into your n8n account and that your dashboard is open. Imagine that the n8n interface is laid out before you. In the top right corner, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This menu is crucial for importing workflows. Begin by clicking on this icon, which will unveil a small drop-down menu with several options. There are effectively two paths you can choose from: importing a JSON file from your computer or using a URL link from the web. If you opt for the Import from File option, you'll need to have your JSON file saved to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Once you select Import from File, a new dialog box will appear, prompting you to locate the JSON file on your device. Navigate through your folders, click on the desired JSON file, and then click Open. This action initiates the import process, and in a few moments, your workflow will appear on the canvas. Alternatively, if you prefer to import directly from a web link, you can select the Import from URL option from the same drop-down menu. You'll need the exact URL of the JSON file you wish to import. When you choose this option, a box will appear for you to paste your link. Simply paste the web address of the JSON file into this box and then click Open. This will prompt n8n to retrieve the file from the web and load it into your workspace. There's another method that some may find even more straightforward. If you have the JSON code readily available, copying and pasting it directly onto the n8n canvas might be your best option. Start by creating or opening a new workflow in your n8n account. Then copy the JSON workflow code using the familiar shortcut Ctrl+C. With the new workflow canvas open, you can paste the code right into the canvas using Ctrl+V. This quickly imports the JSON workflow without needing to navigate through files or URLs. Regardless of which method you choose, the loading process is designed to be swift, ensuring your workflows are ready for you to tweak or run. It's always a good idea to double-check the workflow after importing to ensure everything is as you expect it to be. It's that simple. Whether from file, URL, or directly pasting the JSON code, n8n offers flexible options to fit your needs. This seamless process makes n8n a powerful tool for automating tasks and connecting different services effortlessly. Thank you for joining, and happy automating with n8n.